Okay, everybody, so this is day 19 of Vlogtober, and this will probably be our quickest vlog that we've had so far. But it's Saturday afternoon, as you can see. It's 2:01, and Keith has been peeling apples and cooking them. So this is what we have going on right now. These are the ones he just put on, and these have been on. Ooh, they're a little bit boily, and then these are the ones that have been cooking. How long have these been on in the red pot? 2 hours? 40 minutes? I thought it was longer than that. And see, you can see they cook down. Once they start to boil for a while, they definitely cook down. So he's got 2 pots going, and then he has a sink full of apples and dirty coffee cups. And right here he's got his bucket that he's in an apple that he's dropping. Yeah. So he has an apple corer that we bought from Avon, but you kind of have to set it up. Oh, there's mother-in-law. She's up. Hello. And so here's his bucket full of apples. Apple peelings and cores and that, so he's cutting those up, and that's all we have going on.
Well, I got a trash can full of apples out back, so I'll probably set the core up for that, but I just figured for these I can do them by hand.
Right, we have a metal trash can from once he picked that day that we were apple picking. Oh, sounds like they need to be stirred. So he just puts some water in the pan after they're sliced up, and then boils them down. And then later on, when we cook them to eat, we add the sugar and the cinnamon. But it smells really good. I know you can't smell it in here. Again, there's no smell-o-vision, but it smells like a yummy candle burning all day long or something.
Well, I'll show you. Give me just a second.
Okay. So I think he went to go get something else. But anyways, yeah, he's gonna set up the apple corer on the table when he has, like, because these were the smaller buckets that he has. He has a whole trash can full, and when he does that, he doesn't want to do them all by hand. Right now he's peeling them all by hand and slicing them up. But yeah, that's what we got going on. Exciting stuff, I know, for a Saturday. And I'm coloring a Deborah Muller picture, and that's about it. That's what we got going on. But I know some of you had expressed interest in seeing what the apple cooking process was all about, so here he comes. Oh yeah.
So these are from last year. They're actually froze together, but the idea is you boil them down and then you freeze them in freezer bags. But then these are from last season, so you have apples all winter long. You can
eat on
thaw
yummy
them out and fry them, or put them into pies, or
right. And when
whatever
it's
you want to.
snowy days, and then they taste yummy on biscuits. Yes.
Yep, yes, they do.
So that's what we got going on today: apple peeling, apple cooking, and coloring. All right. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.